Hi, I'm Marty Ornish. I wanted to introduce myself. I'm speaking to you from San Diego, California, and I am both a wearable artist and an art quilter. I lecture nationally and internationally, and I'm known mostly for my Tattered Splendor series of wearable art. They are all made out of ruined vintage quilts. And no, I don't cut up historically valuable quilts. So in this talk and trunk show, I explain my process, my inspiration, and show you how I create beautiful garments out of very, very ruined quilts. I also give a talk on inspiration and creativity. And again, that's what gets my artistic juices going, and also how I deal with periods when I lose my way and need new ideas. I also teach a class and give a lecture about creating your own unique fashion. And I'm wearing one of the upcycled denim jackets I am known for. And in the class, as I teach you how to upcycle a jacket that already fits you. Everything is sustainably made, and in the lecture I give you a trunk show of many of the variations of the jackets I make. Lastly, I offer a lecture called Controversies in the World of Quilting, and this is an unusual and I think really exciting lecture because you look at the world of quilting historically. You look at social justice quilts, the place of censorship and art, and also talk about the ethics of cutting up old vintage quilts. Then I teach classes, and I'm now offering them on Zoom. I teach one on vintage art quilt collages, and of course that's using up what is left over from my garments. And I'm standing next to one of the newest garments I have made. I call it Home Sweet Home. Actually, I think it is another name. And this is a garment based on an old quilt using a lot of my mother and grandmother's old vintage samplers and embroideries. So I use everything in my work. I teach a class called Spatter Dashes, Victorian boot covers. These are really fun to make. Again, like all my classes, everyone in the class will come out with a unique and individual piece of art that they can wear, or for the art quilt collages, can hang on their wall. So I'd love for you to visit my website, Marty-O.com, look at the other lectures and classes I offer, and hopefully one day I'll be able to meet your guild in person. Thank you for looking at my work.